Today we're diving into the fascinating world of sun mantras. These are all about how the sounds we hear from the outside world impact our minds. Think about it. When objects like our vocal cords come together, they create vibrations. These vibrations travel through our ears and eventually reach our brains. Mantras are special combinations of these sounds, meticulously crafted to influence our mind and consciousness. Each mantra is built from the Sanskrit alphabet. Each letter resonates at its own frequency, influencing our consciousness. These were discovered by ancient rishis during deep meditation sessions. First, Mitraya Namah. This mantra is a shout-out to the friend of all, the sun. It's like the universal body, giving us light, warmth, and energy. It's all about the sun's role as a nurturer, showing love to every living thing. Second, Labhaya Namah. This one means salutations to the Shining One. It's about the sun blessing every part of life with its brilliance. We're literally reaching up to soak in that light and those good vibes. Third, Surya Namaskara. Here we're acknowledging Surya, the dude who's all about activity and dynamism. In old stories, he's this epic sky-crossing figure in a fiery chariot, those 7 horses he's got. They are more than just horses, they represent the different layers of existence. Fourth, Panabe Namah. Now this one's cool. It's about the sun as a teacher, clearing out the dark and confusion. Every morning, the sun's like, hey, let's wipe out the night's shadows and start fresh. Fifth, Kagaya Namah. This mantra celebrates the sun's swift journey across the sky. It's our original clock, marking time since, well, forever. Every day, it's up there doing its speedy round, and we're like, thanks for keeping track of time for us. Sixth, Pushine Namah. This one's about the sun being the ultimate source of strength. Think of it as a cosmic dad, giving us life, light, and a whole lot of energy. It's like saying, hey, big guy, thanks for keeping us going. Seventh, Hiranyakarbhaya Namah. Here we're talking about the sun as the golden cosmic self. It's like this cosmic egg of life and creativity. So we're giving props to the sun for holding the seeds of the universe's potential. Eighth, Marichaya Namah. This mantra is about the dawn, the start of new things. It's a nod to the sun for giving us hope and helping us look for real meaning in life, beyond just mirages and illusions. Ninth, Adityaya Namah. Now we're saluting the sun as the child of the cosmic mother, Aditi. This is all about the infinite creativity and energy from this cosmic power. We're like, you're awesome for bringing all this creativity and energy into the world. 10th, Savitre Namah. This one's pretty inspiring. It's all about the sun waking us up, getting us moving. It's the transition from night to day, from sleep to activity. 11th, Arukaya Namah. Here we're paying homage to the sun as the main source of energy. It's like saying, you're the real Mimiv for keeping life on earth ticking. 12th, Paskaraya Namah. And finally, this mantra is about enlightenment. It's like saying, thanks, Mr. Sun, for lighting the way to spiritual truth and freedom. Conclusion. So these 12 sun mantras aren't just words. They're powerful tools that shape our mental space. By regularly chanting and reflecting on them, we connect with that spiritual illumination the sun symbolizes. It's all about bringing these vibes into our daily spiritual groove.